guys ready for the last roast battle of the evening? Yes! One more time, are you guys ready? Hell yeah! Alright, these two are really good friends of mine. Give it for hilarious Mikey B and Kerry Smith, everybody!
Alright, we'll do ladies first, so I'll go first. I was told I was going to be roasting a woman, and that's why I saw it was Kerry. I was like, she has more testosterone than I do. You know? And here's the thing, if you all know about Kerry, her politics, she's what you call a reverse Republican. That's where she's always in this red state that you see, but she only lets brown men inside of her.
I like that, actually. Advertising. I will tell you, despite that actually decent joke, Mikey B is so fucking untalented. He was the only comedian on this lineup tonight that was asked to go up against a female comedian. Hey, shit dick! You play baseball like a girl! No, despite that, right before we went up, Mikey told me he was really scared of making fun of a woman on stage. He didn't want you guys to hate him. So he came up with the idea that we roast the judges. My thought was, that's the most humane thing I can do for him.
Look, here's the thing. I actually don't respect most women. No, but my thought behind the whole idea was, I don't want to be judged by people who are less talented or successful than me. Okay, all right. We all look like fucking door guys tonight, so calm down. So, this is for y'all. I'll start with Paul. Paul is actually a very close friend of mine. In fact, this week we spent a couple days down in Houston. It was a great time till he went pee-pee in my Coke. Paul is the tallest Asian I've ever... Actually, let me rephrase that. Paul is the tallest unsuccessful Asian I've ever seen. I don't know how you fucked that math up a second ago. Tiebreaker with 3 votes? What are you guys, fucking stupid? Jesus Christ. Y'all fucking deserve this for that, you fucking idiots. Fuck y'all. Shut up, man. We're not going down. We're just over there. Fuck off, Joey. I'll get to you in a minute, motherfucker. All right? I will say, Paul is Asian and Italian, like he told you guys, but it's crazy because he's only Asian in the eyes and the penis. And I know this for a fact because he fucked my ex-girlfriend. How's my dick taste?
Which one, Mikey? Jesus Christ.
Ouch. But how does his ex-girlfriend? I know her, that's weird. Mikey, last year had a triple bypass, and on the operating table, he actually died for a whole 3 minutes. This is a true story. And he came back to life. And we all thought, oh, you shouldn't have. That for him, he did it for us, and just we're gonna be just fine. You can lay down, close your eyes. I will say though, we really brought the community together, all the comedians. I remember we were standing outside of an open mic, and we all said, "Why couldn't it have been Joey?"
I agree with you. You know what, Andy, you guys saw Andy's set earlier, so you're probably going to be able to guess some of this. That Andy is the whitest black dude you will ever meet. And it's actually illegal for him to use the N-word. I'm blacker than Andy, and I can use the N-word better than he does. And here's the thing, Andy is so white when you talk to him, all I can think is, this guy, the only thing this guy does for work is Subaru commercials, right? I actually only came here for 2 reasons tonight, and the first one is for Andy to do my taxes after the show.
I do actually a lot of shows with Paul over here. Well, I mean, he's not on stage, but he's around.
All right, Joey Johnson. One of my oldest friends in comedy. Better way to say that, I fucking hate you, Joey. Jesus Christ. And this is real. I sold to Joey an 1/8 of weed 2 months ago, but I didn't know we were on a finance plan. I had no idea that I had to set an APR for this thing. He's made 3 payments and he owes me more than when we fucking started. I always say, like, if I want to take out Joey Johnson, it would actually be pretty easy. I'd get away with it. All I would do is poison some of the tattoo ink and deaden it. He's done, you know? Fuck off, Joey.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah, that's it.
I guess, Andy, how the fuck are you judging anything? I'm serious. No answer. Okay. Because my thought was, Andy's judging tonight. Why? My second thought was, the only room that Andy ever had potential of killing in was at a school.
All right, last joke, everyone, last joke.
Do one more? Do one more?
Do you want one about me?
Yeah, I'll do one about Kerry. Here's the thing, Kerry's a good friend of mine too. We've been on the road together and things. I know a little bit about Kerry. Her parents are dead. They're dead. So's her love life. So's her career. If you could call it one, you know? I mean, that's all I got, you know?
Well, Mikey, you are fat. You are poor. You smell like shit. You don't even have a real job. You sell drugs for a living. And if you weren't such a white guy posing as a Latino, I'd probably fuck the shit out of you.
Give it up for Mikey B and Kerry Smith, everyone!
Yeah, you both lose. Yeah, you guys. I will say this. I don't see how improv found 2 untalented comedians from the same trailer park at all. And Mikey, how you look like a meth dealer and a meth addict at the same time? Are you selling yourself drugs?
What kind of meth have you done? It does not look like.
He shoots it in his dick. Kerry, that was really good. It was mean. It was really good, but really, really, really mean. We all know you. Have you and Mikey ever hooked up before? Or is this like first time tonight? No. Quick question though: who's gonna clean up the puke whenever you guys are done? Is that gonna be Mikey? Or is you guys, I will say this, real funny, both of you, good stuff. Quit talking, okay? Pay attention. All right? This is Biden's America. I get to talk now. Funniest joke all night between the two of you, and I gotta say, oh man, it's really hard, but the shouldn't have about Mikey dying. Saddest shit ever heard in my entire life, but you know what? White women will continue to be that mean. I've never seen a white woman carrying out on a white guy before in my entire life, but that was brutal. So I'm gonna give it to Kerry. I'm gonna give it to Kerry. Most guys have.
Oh, Kerry the comic we all wanted to fuck 10 years ago. And Mikey the comic nobody ever wanted to fuck ever. Hell yeah.
Maybe 10 years from now.
Yeah, maybe. Mikey, you look like a reverse Jared Fogle, because you're fat now and you touch children. So,
never thought I'd agree with Mikey.
I don't know. I just wrote that one. All right, guys. I really enjoyed that roast battle. I gotta, dude, Mikey. I really loved your jokes about me. That was great. We had a really good week together. And now go fuck yourself. And I like the reverse Republican joke. That's very true and very accurate. And Kerry had a good rebuttal as advertising, because if there's a brown guy here that's single, she will eat your dick tonight. So, guys, I loved a lot of Kerry's jokes. The fucking baseball line, the fucking Andy serious shit. I gotta give it to Kerry Smith tonight. Good job, Kerry.
All right. Well, look, all right, we have heard, I guess, but listen, first off, I only made one payment to Mikey, not 3. I want to make that known, and now I owe more. I didn't know your weed gained interest, but your comedy doesn't.
The biggest
That's
one,
crazy.
bitch.
Also, wait, did Paul fuck? Who I'm thinking of? The one that when she moved out took the dog and then Paul ate the dog?
Yep.
Because he's Asian. He's Asian. That was the fucking joke.
No, not that one. That was a different one.
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's another one. All right.
You know her though.
Well, go fuck yourself, Paul. All right. Look. Fuck. All right. Here's the deal. Mikey writes mean. I know Mikey is mean. Kerry is mean. I was the one pushing for this. Like, they asked us when we wanted to go against each other. I've been on the road with both of you, and I knew this was going to be a banger because I know both of you. It's very funny the way you're both dressed like a famous comedian that made his resurgence here. Everyone give it up for Mikey, aka Lesbian CK. Or no, Kerry's Lesbian CK, and I guess you're Louis XL, Mikey. I guess that's it. Listen, hey, just so I don't have to pay Mikey the $10 I owe him, even though Kerry already won, I'm giving it to Mikey. So, Kerry, congrats.
All right. Congratulations, motherfucker.